Hi dear friend, this tutorial I am going to show you how to stop background apps on your Android phone. So let's jump right in. First, open the settings page on your Android phone. Then scroll down to the very bottom. Here you can try to find the developer option. If you don't find it, don't panic. So enable it first. To do that, open about phone. Then scroll down, tap on software information. After that, look for the build number option, tap on it 7 times, then verify to enter your phone screen password. After you enter your phone screen password, you can see the pop-up message developer mode has been turned on. Now return to the main settings page, scroll down to the very bottom, tap on developer option. Once the option is open, scroll down a little, look for the running services option, tap on it. After this page, here you can see all of the background running apps listed there. Scroll down again in the page, find the specific app if you want to stop them the running background. For example, I am stop contact apps, so tap on it, then look for the stop button, click on them and confirm by tapping OK, and automatically stop the contact app in the background running. Now back the previous screen, then scroll all the way to the page. Here you can find the app section. Under the background process limit option, tap on them. Basically see the various more option there. You can select the no background process option and you are successfully turn off or stop background apps on your Android phone. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe my channel. Also share this video with your friend. Bye, take care guys.